Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. There are 3 notable absentees among the athletes as they, along with coaches and management staff, left the island earlier this evening for the CARIFA Championships in the Bahamas, where they will be joined by World Under-20 high jump and triple jump champions Brandon Pottinger and Jaden Hibbert. Denise Walters reports.
Serena Cole, Habiba Harris and Carletta Bernard are not among the 80-member team to the April 8-10 championships, missing due to injuries. According to head coach of the team, Keelando Goburn, the 3 have been replaced by Sabrina Dockery, Asharia Hewlett and Torian Caven.
I think it is a very rounded team. Unfortunately, we had to do some last-minute additions due to injuries that were sustained at Boys and Girls Champs last week. But I think the additions are, capable and competent addition, and I expect them to fit in quite nicely. Pretty much we're coming out of 5 intense days of championships, and the athletes would have been a little fatigued. So we are working, collectively, cohesively, to aid in their recovery.
Last year, Jamaica won a record 92 medals. Is another record haul likely?
The aim is always to, get a better medal haul than we got in the previous year. But technically what that means is that we will be competing against another Jamaican team, which is not necessarily our objective. Our objective is to first and foremost ensure that we facilitate the athletes as best as possible.
On hand to see the team off was Minister of Sport Olivia Grange.
I am so proud of how well they performed during champs, and to see this delegation of 80 athletes and the team officials. I'm just swelling with pride, and I expect them to do very well.
Kobe Lawrence is looking forward to defending his title in the men's discus, while Ricky and Russell has one goal in mind for the 400 meters.
I am really looking forward to it because I am planning on winning.
It's the last CARIFA, my last CARIFA, and it's the Bahamas, a nice country, so I just hope to go there and, get some good performances and bring home the gold medal.
While Alana Reid has another record in sight, Boaji Nkrumah is hoping to go one better than his silver from last year.
I want to win, obviously I want to win, and you'll expect a fast time from me, but injury-free, that's the main goal, injury-free, and I'm happy with that.
To be honest, I would want to run an ex-personal best in both my events. I would want my relay team to come out exceptional and on top, and it's just for me to stay focused and know that the sky is the limit for me.
Reid and Nkrumah have been named team captains.
To be honest, it's just for me to show my utmost respect to everyone. I know that the girls on the team, especially the boys too, are very hardworking, and it's just for all of us to come together as one at the end of the day and know that we have an aim and we have a goal, and it's just for us to go out there and do our utmost best.
I'm a very experienced individual when it comes on to captaincy. I know all the aspects, and I have all the characteristics of being a captain. So it's a pleasure, but I'm clutch.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Denise.